What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. In today's video, we're going to be making Southern Gator Eggs. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, let's get this party started. First thing is, start out with one egg. We'll give that a little whisk around. Going to go in with about a quarter cup of minced or diced bell pepper, and it's fine diced, and I'm just using these bell peppers here to make it easier. About a quarter cup of onion. I'm also going to leave the ingredient list and the amounts in the description. Got a little bit of parsley here. This is probably about 2 tablespoons or so. This is as much as you want. We're dealing with a little bit of rain out here. Got about 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. A 1/2 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And we're going to throw in some Gator Shake. This Gator Shake is by Uncle Steve's. It's going to go great. It has a nice lemony flavor to it. If you didn't have Uncle Steve's Gator Shake, then you could probably use a mixture between salt and pepper and maybe a little lemon pepper or your favorite Cajun seasoning. I'm going to throw in about 1 teaspoon of that. I'm going to leave a link below to Uncle Steve's website in case you guys want to pick up some of this. He don't make just Gator Shake. Makes quite a few other different shakes. We're going to throw in about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and let's just give this a toss around. Oh, we almost forgot the lemon juice. All right, and we're just going to go in with about 1.5 teaspoons. I'm not going to really measure this out, but it's basically 1.5 teaspoons. All right. Now, give it another mix, and then we're going to add in our other ingredients here. All right, now we're going in with 16 ounces of crab. This is lump crab meat. When I get finished mixing this up, I'm going to tell you something. But again, let's just kind of get this all incorporated in here. Okay, now that we got that all mixed up, now again, I like mine really crabby. If you didn't want yours as crabby, you could leave some of that crab meat out, but we like ours really crabby. All right, so now I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Let's move this out of the way. Now we got our jalapenos here. Now, here's what I want to tell. Another thing I want to tell you. These, if you didn't like spice, then don't use the jalapenos. You could use these bell peppers instead. They're the perfect size. All right, so how we're going to prepare these, we're going to cut the stems off there. We're going to go down the middle here. All right, we're going to de-seed these and take out the veins. And I mean, it's pretty easy. I just take my thumb in there and kind of go down and kind of scrape all that out. And then what I do is, let's get that seed. And then I'll do this, about like that. Oh, we'll leave that one big. I'll do the other one. This one's kind of big, so we'll do something like so. Maybe like that. Okay, so we're just going to start out. Get these seeds out of here. Start out now. I just did 2 of them for now. I'm going to go on with our jalapeno, right? We got it cut, and we're just going to be pretty generous with this cream cheese. All right, and now I'm going to prepare all of these the same way. All right, so now I'm going to show y'all how to prepare these. What I do is take a little bit of crab, just kind of put it in my hand like that. Then I'll take the cream cheese part and I put it face down, just like so. And then I start working the crab around it, get it a little bit more and put it on top. Whoops. And then just kind of do this number here and make it into the shape of an egg. All right, again, a little bit of crab. Shove that in there like that. Some more crab on top. And just shape them into the shape of an egg. I mean, My wife said the other one looked like a ball, so we'll make them a little bit more egg-shaped. All right, we're just gonna keep doing these until all these are done. And then what we're gonna do after we get them done, I'm gonna sprinkle some of that Uncle Steve's Gator Shake over the top of them. Okay, now that we have all these eggs formed up, we're gonna hit it with some Gator Shake. I usually just hit these with a top coating, but you could obviously hit all sides if you want. There we go. All right, so before we put these on our grill, I'm gonna tell you a few things. All right, so a couple of things on that. If you're not into the whole crab thing, I have made these several different ways. They are kind of originated using gator meat. I know a lot of you guys out there can't get gator meat. They only even allow gator hunting around this parts about once a year. Anyway, you can use canned chicken. Just make sure you drain it really well. You can use shrimp, just mince that up really good. Crawfish, mince it up good. Or crab, I mean, the possibilities are endless. Now, about ready to throw these on the grill. The way I like to keep my grill set up is I have 3 settings on my grill. On the far end, I keep it at medium, and the other 2, I keep it at the lowest flame that it'll go. You want to make sure that you oil your grill down really well. And what we want to do is, it's got vegetables in it, so we want to cook those vegetables. So it's necessary to bring these up to temp very slowly. So we got, again, medium, low, and low. We're going to put them on the low end. We're just going to check on them. We're going to rotate them. We're going to slowly bring them up to the temp. This thing you can expect to take about 20 to 25 minutes. So let's throw these on the grill. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you can't eat all these, or you want to make a whole bunch, take the eggs, put them on like a cookie sheet or something like that, put them in your freezer, get them frozen, then stick them in a bag. You can bring them straight from the freezer, straight to your grill, bring them up to temp just like the same. It will take a little bit longer, but it works perfectly. Grates are clean. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of oil. It's imperative, because this crab is delicate. We don't want it sticking. Gently placing our eggs on here. Gently. All right, close the lid. And we'll flip them in 5 minutes. All right, we are done. Whew, it's gonna be good. I've let them cool a little bit, because when you let them cool, they firm up, because when we bite into them, we don't really, hopefully they won't break apart. So here we go. Hold on. Fantastic, guys. Okay, a few notes. Remember, we need to bring this temp up slow. Also remember, you don't have to use crab. You can use chicken, shrimp, I mean, gator, any of it's possible. One thing you need to keep in mind, crab meat is very delicate. So it's imperative when it's on the grill, you got to be very careful about moving them around. You move around too much, they will fall apart on you. So just keep that in mind. Bring them up to temp slowly. Honestly, it's better if you do these from frozen, because then it kind of holds everything together and you don't have to worry about them falling apart. All right, guys, gator eggs on your grill. Do it.